All right, everyone. So bonus time. Everybody loves a bonus, right? I found an amp I forgot I had laying around. I haven't done any other testing other than this test, but this is going to give us what we want anyway. It is the YS-XPSM, which is 150 watt per channel, tunable bass and treble, and it is up to a 32 volt. So we're going to test it at 20, 24, and 32 volts and see what happens. So here is the 20 volt test.
Go Black Betty, go Black Betty. Black Betty had a child, don't think gone a while. She's always ready, she's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty, yeah, Black Betty.
We got some numbers, but that was kind of dirty. I didn't like it as much. So let's go up to 24 and see what happens. All right, guys, here we go with the XPSM at 24 volts. Remember, that's the 150 watt.
Whoa, Black Betty, whoa, Black Betty. Black Betty had a child, don't think gone a while. She's always ready, she's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty, yeah, Black Betty.
All right, there you go. 112, not too shabby. All right, let's take it up to 32, see what happens. Okay, here we are, the YS-XPSM 150 watt at 32 volts. That is its maximum rating. We'll give this a shot.
Whoa, Black Betty, whoa, Black Betty. Black Betty had a child, don't think gone a while. She's always ready, she's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty, yeah, Black Betty.